Azure every day. Today I'm going to give you a quick intro to Kubernetes in Azure. Kubernetes, you say? Do you mean the Greek word for helmsman or pilot? No, but kind of like our friend Sully here, it's a tool for safely piloting our applications and keeping them from crashing. So today we're going to hit three main points. Kubernetes. What is it? What are its benefits? And what can we do with it in Azure? So to start off, coming into 2020, nearly all major technology companies are saying the same thing. Kubernetes is the next big thing in computing. Cloud apps increasingly run in aptly named containers. And I don't mean like this one here you can get for $1,500 on Facebook Marketplace. I mean the type of containers that hold applications and dependencies, any configurations. The trick is that these containers aren't tied down to one piece of hardware and can run nearly anywhere, across different servers, even in different clouds. It's how companies like Google manage to scale Gmail or Google Maps across 1 billion plus users. So where does Kubernetes fit in? Let's start with the basics. Kubernetes, also known as K8s, is an open source container system for managing and scaling business applications. As an orchestration software, it allows you to deploy and manage microservices that make up your technology stack. And it allows for portability and scalability when deploying applications across cloud environments. So it takes less time to manage, decreases your downtime, reduces IT costs, and improves your overall speed to deploy a new app. The Azure blog defines it as a way to help teams orchestrate a cluster of virtual machines and schedule containers to run on those virtual machines based on their available resources and the resource requirements of each container. So Kubernetes helps manage service discovery, it incorporates load balancing, it tracks your resource allocation, it scales based on utilization, checks the health of the individual resources, and enables apps to self-heal by automatically restarting or replicating them as needed to new containers. So what are the benefits of using Kubernetes? First, portability. It lets you move your containerized workloads from a local development environment to your production system seamlessly. And it orchestrates the containers consistently in different environments, across your on-premise infrastructure and in public and hybrid clouds. Second, scalability. It defines and containerizes complex applications and lets you deploy them globally across multiple clusters of servers in different regions, all while optimizing their resources. When Kubernetes scales, it automatically monitors and maintains your container health. And extensibility. It lets you access a wide collection of open source extensions and plugins, and Azure Kubernetes Service allows you to take full advantage of all these. And it also adds capabilities such as security, monitoring, management that you already have set up to use in your Azure ecosystem. So what can we do with Kubernetes in Azure? Azure provides the Azure Kubernetes Service, or AKS, which makes deploying and managing your containerized applications easy. So it lets you take our Kubernetes cluster and lets us deploy that into a serverless environment in Azure, removing the need for us to maintain, upgrade, monitor all the individual VM servers. It also integrates us directly into the existing Azure infrastructure. So you can integrate with Azure DevOps, giving you a seamless continuous integration, continuous delivery experience. It ties into Azure AD, Azure Monitor, Key Vault, storage, etc., to give you enterprise-grade security, monitoring, and governance right out of the box. Uniting your development and your operations on a single platform so you can rapidly build, deliver, and scale those applications. So in summary, Kubernetes gives you portability, scalable, it's extensible solution to allow you to develop, deploy, and manage your containerized applications easily. And with Azure Kubernetes Service, you can deploy those applications directly to your Azure enterprise-grade infrastructure in a seamless in a serverless environment, utilizing direct integration with Azure AD, security, monitoring. And if you have any questions or you need help deploying your solutions to the cloud, please don't hesitate to reach out. And thanks for watching Azure Every Day.